Hey, hi, hello. So, April finished pages, and I actually have some. The first one is in Magical Dawn, and I don't remember what I've done. Oh yeah, no, that's right. I showed this last month as well, but I wasn't sure if I was finished or not. And it turns out I wasn't, because I think I'm finished now. So what I did was I went in with more pigment. It's a lot of like glimmer and shimmer on it. So there's both. There's some white gel pen on the crystals that wasn't there before. These ones. I think it's the same as the Kirutaki Gamsai Tambi. I'm quite sure that basically different companies buy the same thing and then just stamp their own, allegedly, just stamp their own name on it. Anyway, so that's what I used on the background. I think I went in with an extra layer of neo colors as well, and a bit of polychromos on the butterflies to make the shading a bit more clear, and on the whatever this is called as well. Yeah. Next up, I finished the work in progress in Enchanted Forest, and this one I'm actually really happy with. Let's see. Here it is. So yeah, basically I think I had this page to finish. And I went in with a bit of extra blue here to like spread it out a bit more. But yeah, no, this is done with... so first off, I have the Enchanted Forest with the weird paper. So it's like... It's hard to explain, but it's the watercolors on this paper. They don't want to sink into it, so you get a lot of like weird effects like that. Without like putting salt or stuff like that on it. So usually if you want to have texture, weird texture with water-based media, you can put salt on top or stuff like that. But I get this effect without that. And I've heard from other colorists that they also have that there's... officially I don't know anything, but the rumor mill has informed me a while ago that there are more people than me that feel like the paper is weird. So there's probably like some edition that's weird. But I have that, which means that I can, when I go in with water-based markers and dilute them with water and then go with water on top, I can get these really cool effects. So this is done like, there's first a layer of water-based marker, then that's diluted as if it were an Inktense pencil, and then there's like water drops that I lay on top and let them either to dry or dab them off. So that's how I got that effects in the background, like all of that, and so on. But yeah, no, otherwise this is polychromos on top is what makes it a bit cleaner. So it was a lot like, sorry for the noise, it was a lot messier before I went in with polychromos and cleaned it up a bit, but also like added, splotches of pink, for example, here, to like make the interest a bit more, and the blue over here as well. Just sneaking it in a bit of pink there. And yeah, there's also some gel pen. Kind of like putting that in on the details. Like the patterning of the trees. And yeah, really happy with this. Really, really happy. And I think that's that in here. Yeah. All right. And then I finished my tiger in Animorphia. Let's see. Here it is. Right, so I'm one of the weird ones who really like the doodle pages, and I approached them with fine liner scribbling. So the tiger here is not fine liner. The tiger is actually like broad tip textures, but scribbled. And also then in the actual details here, when I'll bring you a bit closer, you will see that it's just messy scribbling without the care. There's some like areas here, for example in the orange, where I went in with the actual marker to like bring that up a bit more to tie it to the actual tiger. But otherwise this is just really relaxing work, but also a bit frustrating. It takes a lot of time, but it goes faster than trying, these doodle pages. It still goes a lot faster than trying to color every bit with pencils. So yeah, I really like this. And you can see here in the tiger, it's not that... I mean, it's like, it's a light blue, 2 different pinks, and 2 different oranges. It's what's in that tiger. Maybe 3 different oranges, I see. Yeah, there's this dark orange, a middle tone, and then this really light one. And then I sneaked it in a bit into the white as well. And yeah, no, I really like this. And then in the same spirit, I continued on, or I started the eagle in my old ancient Imagimorphia. And it is here. So this is the same process, but this is very much in progress. And yeah, no, you can see all the little scribbling. And the eagle is done with broader markers. Yeah. I went in with the purple for the like background bits that I didn't want to care about. And I kind of like that. It's fun. I really like this. And yeah, that's that. Not that much, but hey, kind of proud of myself anyway. All right. Yeah, see you in the next one.